Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on poverty detection. This project helps us to know the level of the poverty based on the region. We are inspired from the paper Predicting Poverty Level from Satellite Imagery Using Deep Neural Network. In DHS, we are going to develop a project with two techniques, one with Jupyter Notebook and another with Flask. Jupyter Notebook is a backend and Flask is a front-end. In Jupyter Notebook, this is how Jupyter Notebook will look like. In Jupyter Notebook, we will load the data, we will do the pre-processing technique, we will train the model and we will test the model, and finally we will save the model. This is about the training part. First, we are importing all the necessary libraries. After the data visualization is done, here we are having 4 targets, the classes that are Mali, Ethiopia, Malawi and Nigeria. These are the 4 targets we are consisting of in our dataset. There are 1000 samples in each of the classes. And this is the bar graph. As you can see, the number of record versus the class labels. They are equally distributed in our data set. This is about the pie chart. We are visualizing using pie chart. 25% of each is divided for each class. Then data loading will be done. Here normalization of an data will be done. After the normalization, totally we have 4000 records along with 128 columns. This is some of the images of particular classes from the data set. It is looking like this. After that, we are splitting our data into X-train, Y-train, X-test and Y-test. Here we are using convolutional neural network algorithm, which is nothing but CNN algorithm. We are building the CNN model here, and this is the model summary. Then we are training the model. Here we are using 100 epochs for training CNN model. This is the accuracy plot and loss plot graphs. These are the predicted value of the CNN model, and these are the original labels. Now we will compare both predicted value and the true values. Totally we are getting 95.38% of accuracy, and this is the classification report of the CNN model, and this is the confusion matrix. After this, finally we will save the CNN model. This is about the training part. Now we will see the test part, test file. Here first we are importing all the necessary libraries. After that, these are the class labels. There are 4 class labels, and for that particular class labels there are poverty level. For Malawi it is very poor, Mali it is poor, Ethiopia it is average, and Nigeria it is good. Now here we are importing the input as set 4. It consists of 5 images here. We are loading those 5 images and giving it to the CNN model. It is saying like the final poverty conclusion is average. The probability is 100%. That means the set 4, which consists of 5 images, which is predicted as average. Now we will see the front end part. First we need to register. First we need to give the first name, after that last name. We need to create one email ID. After that we need to select the gender and create password for that particular mail ID. And we need to click on register. After registration, login page will be opened. Here we need to enter the mail ID and we need to enter the password and we need to click on login. This is how the home page will look like. Here poverty detection is there. It consists of 4 sets. In the test part in the back end we have seen set 4. When I click on set 4, these are the 5 images which consist in the set 4 and the result will be, the final output is average and the final probability is 100%. That means the set 4 is classified as an average. This is how the front end will look. This is about this project. In DHS, we are giving the project at very reasonable price and help you until the last phase of your project, so that you can contact us at 9845166723 or 9886692401. You can email us also. We will help, and like in the coding explanation also, along with the PPT, we will provide you very quality report. If for more details, you can contact us in WhatsApp or you can walk into the office. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.